Napoleon Hill wrote a great book called Think and Grow Rich. In that book, he talked about the importance of a mastermind. Now, all a mastermind is a group of people that get together and share and collaborate for an express purpose of getting better. I encourage you to create a mastermind within your organisation, because the context of how you use Word, Excel, email, etc. inside your business is known by you. It's not known by Google or anything else. Creating a mastermind enables you to bring people together from different areas of your organisation to share and grow information and knowledge and expertise around how your business does its documentation. Rather than you ending up with little silos or pockets of people who know so much stuff, only to find that when they leave, it leaves a big hole in the organisation. So if you haven't read Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, I highly recommend it. If you're looking for help to create mastermind groups within your organisation, I'd love to assist. I'm Donna Hanson, Productivity with Technology Strategist.